अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्या कहूँ हम्द उस अल्लाह की लफ्ज़ों में, क्या कहूँ हम्द उस अल्लाह की लफ्ज़ों में, जो न मांगूँ तो अता करता है, जो ना मांगूँ तो अता करता है, मांग लूँ तो बेहिसाब देता है। जी हाँ, लाइफ इज़ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ मैनी थिंग्स. Every moment is something that becomes a part of our life and motivates us. Many people meet and live, but the journey goes on. There are some accidents that motivates us to move forward, but all have the same goal: live and let live. According to such a circular, I had the opportunity to connect with Kotak Education Foundation. That is the day, and today is the day. Yes, मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया तो समंदर तलाश कर. Every moment with a new energy, I am looking for new avenues. The Kotak Education Foundation was established in 2007 with the intention of helping children and youth from disadvantaged families through various educational interventions and skills training programs. Here is a brief overview of KEF. I feel like a river of positive vibes is flowing towards me. As much as I have tried to understand it through its sessions and apply it in my life. हमको मिटा सके ये ज़माने में दम नहीं, हमको मिटा सके ये ज़माने में दम नहीं, हमसे ज़माना खुद है, ज़माने से हम नहीं. Yes, the sky is too low to fly. Life does not stop for anyone, but leaves its marks in someone's memories, in someone's words. The place passes by and we don't even realize who changed our life. When this is the place in my life where KF positivity thinking, as I had the privilege of approaching it to the spend my days and nights, thoughts have changed and my actions too. In this camp, I have met many people who have guided me in proving that I have to do and how to create a vision board, and that is Kotak Education Foundation. The basic fundamental concept that has helped me tread this path is to show you at the end of this presentation what I did for the school, community and the country by being inspired by the KEF session through videos and photos. I will try to put it all in front of you. First of all, under the auspices of my organization Anjuman Islam, I was given the opportunity to be a part of this journey of Kotak Education Foundation, the welfare of the country and the nation. I sincerely thank my management. For educational institutions are the mirrors in which we can shape the society in the image of today and tomorrow. Its sole purpose is to outline the best ideas in the promotion of the country, nation and society. These programs play a significant role in creating our own thinking. I would like to see the one who has played a captivating role in the service of humanity. When we work, we carry the feeling of bounding of a family. कामयाब अफराद अपनी ख्वाहिश को पेश निगाह रखते हैं, रुकावटों को नहीं. Yes, Miss Abida Khan is a well-known personality of our school. She passed away on 18 September 2021. Her personality does not need any introduction. She was a woman of far-sightedness. She give them a place in your mercy. Amin. You had cancer. She had cancer diagnosed. All the heads of our organization did everything possible, helping her realize that we all are with her. Take time off a busy schedule to visit her again and again and help her as much as possible so that they can be kind from time to time. Secondly, Sahara sponsored chief Mrs. Khadija Sheikh has also registered her good deeds. Video of Asma Sheikh's interview has been displayed on the link on my YouTube channel account. You can visit and check it out. There are also plans to provide residential and educational assistance. Both brothers and sisters have tried to guide their future. Both are street children at CST station. Amna's father is a cancer patient. To provide financial support, I have personally provided some money to this family. Sajjad Abdul Kalam's sister is a student of our school. I find out that his fees are still outstanding. Hall tickets were not available and his year was wasted. So I thought KEF is doing a great job for the nation by sponsoring so many students. So my step is small, but I have started. Now I have to be an inspiration for others. Alhamdulillah. Do not stop this series so all this statement in front of you. What is it? Goodness is not small or big. It is enough. Even a sweet word of yours to save someone's life fills the desire to live. The soul's right will be paid. Shifa's eye surgery is something we have already done, but the only difference is that it has to be done with more enthusiasm. Inspired by KEF, as if this is the identity of KEF itself, that we have to do something for humanity. सख्त मेहनत के बाद कामयाबी का ख्वाब देखना ऐसा है जैसे बिना फसल लगाए फसल को काटने की तवक्को रखना. Students who have lost a parent, guardian and or a primary earning member of the family since April 1st, 2020 and who have been recognized by the government in any standard from first grade to diploma or graduation studying in Indian University. 6 years to 22 years are eligible to apply. The Kotak Education Foundation has entered into an agreement with Buddy for Study, one of India's largest scholarship platforms, to provide access to students across India interested in applying for the Kotak Shiksha Nidhi. Applications can be submitted online by clicking here. Rohit Rao, Joint President and Group Chief CSR Officer, Kotak Mahindra Bank said, matters, if any, to help them complete their school and college education by March 31st, 2022, taking care of their educational expenses. Dr. Ganesh Raja, CEO Kotak Education Foundation said, school and colleges fees, library deposit, stationery and other related expenses payable to the school, college including hostel, accommodation and boarding expenses are funded under Kotak Shiksha Nidhi will be covered. The selection of eligible students and the level of support under Kotak Shiksha Nidhi can be increased at the discretion of KEF and based on the fulfillment of eligibility criteria and merit of the application. खुलूस शामिल हो अगर आपकी नुक्ताचीनी में, सुकून क्यों ना मिले मुझको बेसुकूनी में. जी हाँ, Kotak Education Foundation has been linked to this program for the purpose of motivating teachers, society to accomplish this. A lot of practical work is being done on the topic to different sessions and trainings are being done. Because of this, the circle of vision boards has also grown as KEF has done all this on its ground. Now, KEF's vision board makes me feel like this